Here's my progress on my gaming PC build so far. It looks very nice. I rerouted some cables and stuff. I installed the ARGB lights and everything seems to be working. Look at that. I installed lights in other places as well. Got like 4 of these light bars made by Asia Horse. It looks very nice. It blends well with my ASUS Tough Gaming PC game fans. They all work really well. But this is very fucking awesome. Even this works. I have to like be rough with the cables and like tuck it in under the GPU, but it works. Cable management looks very well. It looks very good. It's better than I thought it would look. I thought it would look horrible. This is my first build. However, I know what I'm doing and stuff. Yep. This looks very nice. The PC seems to be hosting and stuff still. Thanks for watching. The GPU works as well. Thanks for watching.